Xiaomi's upcoming 15T series has just leaked in full, thanks to popular leakster Roland Quandt. Now we know everything, from the design and specs, to the cameras, charging speeds, and even the prices. And trust me, the differences between the 15T and 15T Pro go way beyond just the name. Let's start with the design. On the surface, both the Xiaomi 15T and the 15T Pro look very similar. They each come with Gorilla Glass 7i on the front, and IP68 water and dust resistance. But the frames set them apart. The standard 15T uses plastic, while the Pro steps it up with a premium metal frame. That's a subtle but important difference, especially if you want a more high-end feel. Weight-wise, the 15T comes in at 194 grams, while the Pro is noticeably heavier at 210 grams. Both devices feature a large 6.83-inch AMOLED display, with a sharp resolution of 2772 by 1280 pixels. Xiaomi is really pushing brightness this year. We're talking up to 3200 nits peak brightness. You also get HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and full DCI-P3 coverage. The only difference here is refresh rate. The 15T is capped at 120 Hz, while the Pro goes all the way to 144 Hz, for even smoother animations and gaming. Under the hood, Xiaomi is splitting the lineup with two different MediaTek chips. The regular 15T runs on the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, while the Pro gets MediaTek's powerful Dimensity 9400 Plus. Both phones ship with 12 GB of RAM, and you can choose between 256 or 512 GB of storage. So performance should be solid across the board, but the Pro will obviously have the upper hand. Cameras are where the gap between the two phones really shows. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 900 main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens using Samsung's JN5 sensor, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The regular 15T tones things down, with a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 800 main sensor, a simple 2x telephoto without OIS, and the same 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Both phones do share a 32-megapixel front camera with a super-wide 120-degree field of view. And yes, both models carry Leica branding and image tuning, which should help deliver that signature Leica look in your photos. Moving on to battery life. Both models pack a hefty 5500 mAh cell. The difference comes in charging speeds. The Xiaomi 15T supports 67-watt fast charging, while the Pro model pushes that up to 90 watts. One thing to note though, neither phone will include a charger in the box. So you'll probably need to budget for one separately, if you don't already own a compatible charger. Both phones also support eSIM, come with IP68 dust and water resistance, and include all the Flagship essentials. Now let's talk price. According to leaks, the Xiaomi 15T will start at €649, while the more powerful Xiaomi 15T Pro will be priced at €799. For what they're offering, those prices look very competitive compared to other flagships on the market. Which one would you pick? The affordable 15T, or the feature-packed 15T Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.